Some example now, we are going to demonstrate that using some simple client-server form. First of all, in my EDF, I'm using this ASN file, having the LDAP entity person mapped to person at OU employee or computer, but also all the other entities mapped to $LDP driver. I have a first form whose name is LDAP read, and in this form about the person LDAP, I just add a UR with the object class being equal to init.org person. The idea is to minimize the number of read. We have also a connect button for which detail will be I open the connection using some parameters filled in the form, then I use the mail and the password to retrieve the person in question. So let us go to see what's happened. I'll connect using the short scope computer with the user admin, and here is the fabulous password. The mail is that one, and here is my password as it is entered in my own LDAP. It is not the one on network, computer network. And I bring back information about myself. I can update my UID, for example, and click and save. Everything is okay. If I clear, and I find it has been well updated. To do so, about the save, I use the command connection and then just store person. Here this is that one which is going to be used. That's why he is able to update my profile. Once I know that the person is well identified, I can check for services he is allowed to manage. I have such information. In this simple form, I'm going to access the group of name and to view which kind of information is bringing back. In group of name, I also have the object class, and then I had member as being equal to is in, all that stuff. I said I would like to sketch back information for Cartini. I connect and I view that I'm belonging to Uniface Sales and Uniface FTS. I can clear and say I would like to view for Mr. Dalibor, and is only in Uniface FTS group. So once it's been defined, it's almost the same way to work with LDAP drivers and with something else. These two forms have been used to define a startup shell whose name is userver, and in these triggers I call after some check and activate read LDAP valid user with two parameters, $users and $password, which are predefined variables from Uniface. And in out, I would like to receive which service belongs these people and a return code to know if the user is valid or not. Now let's go to read LDAP service. In this read LDAP service, we find our person entities and our group of name entities with the same piece of code. And if you go to the operation valid user, you will see the dummy connection and then piece of code to find the people and then the group of name in which he is belonging. It's no more difficult. So now let's go to our PowerPoint to view what's happened into the web XML files. This web XML is dedicated to a normal website, except that we add the following parameters: authorization as parameter name and a string, in this example Uniface login. By default it's basic. So what happened? If I select that, we see that using this web XML I have to log myself at Uniface login. So we view that my user is guy.cartini at compuware.com. The password and everything works. This is exactly the same application as the one I can use without security by using the default web XML website. So it means that in the DSP itself, nothing is special for this security. That's it. Thank you.